Welcome to my channel, welcome to Hobbies and Craft, and my name is Tomilala. So today I'll be working on a laptop case, or a laptop carton, whatever you can call it. I'll be transforming this box.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
So I'm done cutting the cardboard, cutting the part I don't want to use, and I'm painting it in white. And I use like 3 coats of paint at intervals to paint it to eliminate the black color. I didn't really want to see any black color on it anymore.
And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
So I switched the color from white to green. I use a lighter version of green for the inside and a deeper one for the outside, like a forest green for the outside, to give another look.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway.
So I'm done painting, and I'll be applying this Mod Podge matte finish on the surface to seal it and protect it, because I'm actually working on paper. The carton is a paper, so it's best to apply a sealer to protect it from chemicals, spreading water from penetrating into it.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you.
So I'll be decorating this with some glass gems that I bought many years ago.
And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 still go.
So I added pebbles into the spaces that were obvious, that were big, to fill in those spaces. These are pebbles, they are stones or pebbles, fine stones.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, 'cause I grind through the climb.
So I added resin, I added 2 part resin, the hardener and the resin itself in equal quantity. I think I did 40 each, 40 for the resin, 40 for the hardener. And with resin you have to really be very careful because it's a very dangerous chemical. Like, you have to take safety precautions, wear gloves, wear glasses, and make sure you are in a ventilated area. For this one I didn't even wear glasses, and the next day I had itchy and red eyes. So you have to be careful with resin. And I allowed this sit after pouring the resin. I allow it to sit for 24 hours for it to cure, for it to harden. That's the way resin works.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go.
Guys, this is a closer and a final look at the project. This is so beautiful and lovely. I love the colors, I love the green, I love the clear gems, I love how they all came out. I love the effect of the resin on it. This is so beautiful, and you can try this out yourself. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Just click the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and I will see you in my next video. Love you, bye.
Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.